Today, I'm going to show you how to make these really cool paper flowers that bloom when you add them to water. Start by taking a piece of paper and draw on your flower design. I'm going to use a compass to get my design nice and neat. Draw out a circle. Then set your compass to the diameter of that circle and draw out another one. For the petals, I'm going to draw round a finger. They don't have to be exactly the same size, and you can use the outer circle as a guide. If you go over, just draw another line. Next, I'm going to colour in the flower using some colouring pencils. When you're doing the petals, don't worry if you go outside the line. When you're done, use some scissors to cut the flower out. It should look like this. Next, we need to fold each petal over into the middle of the flower. And that's our flower ready to use. To use it, we need to pour a little water onto a plate and drop in the flower. As you can see, it magically opens up and starts to bloom. Pretty cool, huh? I have speeded the video up here to make it a bit faster because it did take over a minute to open. I'll take this one out and show you again. What is cool is you can dry these flowers out and use them again. If you like, you could colour your flowers in with a felt tip pen to make the colours a bit brighter. My pens weren't waterproof, so I did find the colours started to run when they're in the water. These flowers look really nice if you do a few of them at the same time. One thing that I did find out was that the flowers which I had already used and then dried out seemed to bloom a lot quicker than the flowers which I hadn't used before. If you do want to use them again, you can dry them out on a paper towel and put a piece on top to help absorb the water. And if you're in a real rush, you can carefully use an iron to help speed things up. Make sure the flowers are perfectly dry before you try to use them again. This time they actually open so much quicker. So I thought I'd dry them and try it again. It's impressive the difference it makes, and for these shots I'm not even speeding up the video. If you like, you could write little notes on them and leave them out for someone to find. When they drop them into the water, they'll be surprised to see their note unfold. Pretty cool, huh? Or how about leaving this one out for a loved one?